When replacing the battery for the SATA Atom 2 display, be sure to order part number 160739. If attempting to replace the battery using one from a store, it may not have the right thickness, therefore it will not make the correct contact and the display will not read correctly. The kit will contain a new O-ring, a new rear seal, a new locking tab, a new battery, a rubber band for holding the cover, and the wrench tool for removing the red back from the Atom 2 display. Start by taking the display and placing the rubber band around it. Grip the rubber band, place the tool under the tabs on the back of the display, and remove the display cover by rotating the tool counterclockwise. Push the battery out of its slot using the narrow tab on the front of the tool's fork. Next, place the new battery into the slot. It can only go one way. Once the battery is inserted, you should see it count down until it is fully calibrated. The O-ring on the red base at the threads should be replaced to guarantee a tight seal. Now the display cover can be reinstalled. Replace the rear O-ring and locking tab to maintain a tight seal for proper air pressure monitoring when installed in the Atom 2 dock. You will notice there is one side of the locking tab with a cleat that faces away from the display base. To install the Atom 2 display onto the dock, simply slide the display straight down while aligning the dovetails of the display and the dock. To properly remove the display from the dock, use your thumb to pull the cleat of the locking tab away from the dock and push the Atom 2 display straight up. Do not rock the display back and forth to walk it up the dock, or you could risk damaging the dock itself.